I used to sit in like Spanish class and do these.
Amazing.
And now hello, Beth from the future here. As of recording, it is currently June, and this process began all the way back, I want to say in like March. I'm pretty sure I filmed an intro and then accidentally deleted it, so now I'm here way forward in the future to tell you what you're about to watch. And you might be like, hey Beth, this isn't your room. You're right, it's not my room. We moved into our new house. Obviously you guys will be getting a full video about that and like the process and like a room tour reveal. But that's not going to be for a little bit because you can't really see the full extent, but my room is a fucking mess. See it a little bit, but not hugely. So yeah. I had the best time preparing for Wild Thing. As you will see, it all went absolutely according to plan. And I put my absolute heart and soul into this collection. I tried my best, I really did. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please, because you should. Please subscribe. Update on the collection. It's been put on pause. I got fucking COVID. 2 years without having it, and now I've got it. Like, I had COVID, like, before I officially had the name COVID, because I was in hospital and they said it was a virus, but I didn't know what kind because they couldn't pick it up on my x-rays and stuff, blah 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 blah. But last night I tested positive, so. And the 1 week I couldn't, because I've got uni stuff. I managed to get all the fabric samples done. So I'm probably going to submit them tonight and get them in a week. So yeah, I'm just going to rest. Am I actually going to rest? Probably fucking not. I'm probably just going to sit and design stuff on my iPad. Because I don't know how to rest. No rest for the wicked. Oh, and it's nice fabric. I was really scared that I'd chosen not great fabric.
Oh my god, Beth, I can't believe that. I'm so proud of you for doing that.
What I did was I uploaded one image of it and then I selected like multiples, so they just add it onto each other. Do you want to?
Oh god, Beth.
I got it as a cotton satin mix because I thought it would feel nice and it would look good.
Bloody hell, Beth.
So like here you can see where the image like ends.
Oh!
But that's okay because for the size that I'm...
This?
I know, but because with the cutting, you won't be able to do that anyway.
Yeah, the way you use it, you won't be able to see.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Lovely.
That one looks really good.
That's just right for like hair bands and...
That's what I mean.
So did you have this one? There's no start and end to this.
No.
Is that how you set it up?
No,
Just lucky.
Just lucky. I think if you looked carefully, you'd probably be able to see where it ends. Let's swap. Or do the last one.
So pretty.
Yes. Me too. Again, you can see where it ends, but that's okay. The fabric is so nice as well.
I can't see where that ends and starts. Just your little squiggles going into this. And then Creative Soul
This is mad. It looks so insane. This is surreal.
Yeah.
I used to sit in like Spanish class and do these.
Crazy.
And now that's crazy. We just announced. Me and Tiger are just celebrating that we announced it on Instagram, Facebook. Give me your paw. Yay! Yeah! Raise the roof, Tiger. Huh? Raise the roof, Tiger. Raise the roof. Woo! We're so excited. We just announced it on Instagram, Facebook. That means it's happening. La la la, people know. It's so exciting. It's not a secret project anymore. La 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 la. It's an actual thing that's happening in a month. We got a month, babe. Do you think we can do it? Do you think we can do it? I think we can do it. Hey! Hello. Welcome to my bathroom. Hello. Welcome to my bathroom. If you're watching this, I actually had to take a good job me. My phone is falling. My phone falls in the bath. That'll be funny. Anyway, I went to uni today. Today was my first day back at uni today for the first time since getting COVID. It was kind of shit. Don't feel great, but that's okay. So I reopened my Etsy today. I have some orders. I'm going to be taking part in the strike. Basically, Etsy is raising its fees, and I already don't make any money from Etsy. Like, with all the fees and shit, I literally make no money. Like, I make no money. So I'm gonna hop on the train and I'm gonna go to the shop and stock my shelf. And I might ship there. Yeah. I have like headbands I need to finish and face masks because that is specifically what they wanted. So I haven't used any of my new fabric yet because like I got it while I had COVID. I'm kind of like quarantining it. I've sanitized it, but because it's like something actually really important and I spent a lot of money on it, I'm actually like taking care of it better than myself right now. Oh, we have a really good reaction to the announcement that I'll be selling a Wild Thing. In fact, it was so good, my engagement was up 300%. That is unheard of. Also, people at Funimation, please stop taking my fucking listings down. I've had 3 taken down last week. And it's kind of shitty because there are so many resellers still selling their shit on Etsy. Yeah, me, who makes like a £3 sticker. Yeah, I'm the problem here. Hello, I'm ill again. The Wild Thing & Co just announced me. I'm crying. Yeah, so I got COVID, then I got over COVID, and like turns out I'm not officially over COVID. Isn't that right, babe? We're so excited because Wild Thing & Co just announced us. That means that in literally a month my stuff's gonna be in that shop. I need to start making some shit. very unflattering. Hello. I not even started, so yeah, COVID really fucked me over. I'm still really struggling with like my breathing and just energy and like keeping focus, which sucks. Kind of fucked really. Like I basically, my plan is completely thrown out the window. I'm so behind schedule. I'm sure I'll make an actual like updated thing tomorrow talking about everything that's gone wrong so far. But tonight we are working on, I don't have any samples near me, but we're working on tote bags, which is really cool. They're all designs I've made on like a mix of Canva and Procreate. And I'm really happy with them. By the time it's uploaded, I don't know if everything will be ready, but let's show you anyway. But here's one. Look at that, it says fuck the patriarchy. And I'm so happy with it. This is my current setup. This isn't even all of it. It goes up there, and then down here, and then over here, like we've got the expensive fabric over here that I showed you, like me unboxing, cutouts, got the Cricut, sewing machine, fabric, like this is my folder for the pattern pieces, pre-cut fabric, heat transfers that I'm not really using, but like they're like a safety net, you know? And then we've got, that's literally a full stack of different vinyls. Some that are sticky and some that are heat transfer, as well as like sticker paper. And yes. I'm actually not that stressed. Like, I can't lie, the last few days I've been so fucking stressed. That's why I'm so spotty right now. But now that I'm actually doing it, I'm like, oh, it's not that bad. As usual. We're having a ramen break, ramen break, ramen break, ramen break, ramen break. And like I filled my Starbucks cup up with Coke. So this is how my afternoon's going. I'm fucking exhausted, but I've got quite a lot done. And that means I'm probably gonna be able to start sewing tonight. Yay, woohoo! Ew! Okay, that is everything.
Kendall's not here because she's just got the flu or something.
So I didn't have the flu. Hello. So this month didn't go the way I wanted it to. Yeah, this did not go the way I wanted it to. So, you know. It's currently the, I don't even know, the 10th, the 11th of May, and my stuff at Wild Thing has been up for a little under a week, and I just wanted to kind of finish this video off just saying like thank you to everybody who's already purchased something or is planning on going to Bristol specifically to see it. Obviously I didn't show much of me actually making the stuff, and it was more so just a commentary of how I was doing, because I get really anxious and nervous whenever I film myself like sewing. in case I do something wrong, or if people see me using like a hot glue gun, for example. I feel like, I don't know, I make myself feel really invalid whenever I film myself sewing, because there are so many like bad angles, and it's difficult for me because I like to listen to like music and podcasts and stuff when I sew, so I never really have like the accoutrements I need to film, because I film everything on my iPhone because I do not own a camera. So yeah, but I hope this kind of is sufficient enough and you got your little fix of everything. And without further ado, here is my Wild Thing & Co collection. Tell you where it is, you're just gonna have to find it. Ta-da! What do you think?
I love it. Oh my god, this is so yours.
I know! Look at how pretty